If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! So, welcome back to another episode. This one is batch 55, I think. Yeah, batch 55 na to guys. So, let's open it up. So, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos. And, yeah. Na yung card industry ngayon, sobrang taas na no. Hindi mo makikita yung parang dati na naglalaro lang sa magkano yung mga cards. Ayun, magugulat ka, mamahal na yun. So we have 2 boxes. Wait, let's open it up. Ooh, this one's cool. This one's cool. Later, let's proceed it first. The other box. And we got these. Wait lang. Medyo mataas eh. And I don't like this na medyo magalaw eh. Lots of slabs. First, we got this Luffy PSA 9. So when Jump PSA 9. Sabo PSA 9. Wait nga. Ayan. Tapos Laya, mahirap pala mag video no. Walang tripod guys. Wait lang, wait. I'm gonna use this. Then yan. O di mas okay. And there you go. Next one is this flagship Zoro PSA 10. Boa PSA 10. Nico Robin PSA 10. Nika Gum Gum Giant PSA 10. Wanted PSA 9. PSA 10 Reiju. Oh, so PSA 9 Nami. Wanted again PSA 10. PSA 9 Sabo. PSA 9 Ace. Another PSA 9 Luffy. PSA 9 Vivi. Another PSA 10 Vivi. Dracula Mihawk. PSA 10. Ang ganda naman nito. Gold. May ganito ba ako? Feeling ko may ganito ako guys. Sama si Nami. Anyways, Ace PSA 10. The top. Let's start top PSA 10. So nagmahal na to guys. Yeah, and so that's great. And let's open the next bag. Let's freaking go. First, Santorio Dead's Manscape PSA 10. Mega Charizard PSA 10. Vaporeon PSA 10. Zoro again PSA 10. Japanese PSA 10. Meowth PSA PSA10, BWR Japanese PSA10, Mega Charizard PSA10, Mega Charizard PSA10, Pikachu PSA10, Rayquaza PSA10, Gengar PSA10. So definitely all PSA10s, guys. And this is a nice batch, guys. This is a really nice batch. So yeah, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kel Santos, or you can drop off your email or ano para makontak nyo ako. So that's it, guys. This is batch 55. So if you want na makita nyo yung mga cards nyo dito, contact me na lang, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!